In this girls 800, we have a very fast time looking for that state leader, that national leader. Our national leader, Danae Rivers, 212.09. We have several athletes that can make that mark, put it in jeopardy. Our entrants here on the bib sheet, we have bib 1, Maddie Van Blunk, Downingtown. Bib 2, Shayla Means of Benjamin Cardozo. Bib 3, Abby Goldstein, Germantown Academy. Bib 4, Jackie Thorne of Northport. Bib 5, Sierra Roach, Freehold Township. Bib 6, Kimberly Ford, Mount St. Mary's. Bib 7, Gabriel Wilkinson, Friends Central, our top seed. Christina Rancan, West Windsor, hit Bib 8. Sarah Buckley, Bib 9. Erin Endres, Bib 10. Jen Mickens, Bib 11. Olivia Arizin, Bib 12. And Deidre Lewin, Bib 13. That's Abe Goldstein out in front. Abby Goldstein putting in battle with Olivia Arizin, our two favorites. Arizin's got a lifetime best of 2:09. Abby Goldstein well under that 5-minute mark for the mile, 4:55. Deirdre Lewin also in the mix. Kellenberg, one of our local schools here on Long Island. Shayla Means of Cardozo in 4th place. Out in front, that's Arizin. Lewin making her move. Staying close. Cardinal O'Hara's Arizin out in front. Olivia Arizin. Pennsylvania, New York. 1-2. It's Lewin and Arizin out in front, shoulder to shoulder, onto the back straightaway. Arizin trying to make a move, trying to pull away. Lewin not letting it go. Arizin first into the final turn. Onto the final straightaway. Pulls away strong. Olivia Arizin wins. 2:14.9 unofficially. Deirdre Lewin, 2nd place, Kellenberg.